Pizza again! Ooh, I love pizza. Me and my family. In this video, I only got 250 grams of pizza dough from a big dough that I made today. And I'll show you a different way to make the pizza more delicious without wasting any part of the pizza crust by putting or filling the edges with cheese spread, a soft cheese spread. Have you noticed that there are some people who don't like to eat the edges of the pizza because it's just a piece of bread and it's not appetizing? So in this way, the edges of the pizza become appetizing because it is filled with a cheese spread. And so this is one way of leveling up the pizza according to the professional chefs. But I'm not a professional chef. I just did it and I love it. You can also fill the edges with the favorite cheese that you have. And so let's continue. So the same process, you garnish it with tomato sauce and fresh mozzarella. This kind of mozzarella is still a little bit wet, and this water that it has helps for the rising of the dough when it's already put inside the oven. And now the pizza is done. To make it more appetizing, I just added sheets of Bologna sausage.